Hello everyone, this is video 3 from the series The Power of Python. It is part 2 of the series, and here we are going to discuss while loop in decision control statements. So what are the loops? A loop in programming language is a control structure that allows for the repeated execution of a block of code as long as a specified condition is met. Loops are fundamental for automating repetitive tasks, iterating over data structure, and implementing algorithms. It means if you have a particular task to be repeated quite a few times, then instead of writing that codes line by line, if you put it into a loop, it will get executed. For example, let us consider the print sum and average of first 10 numbers example. So let us take first the sum variable. We will consider s as sum and we will put 0 value into it initially. Then we have to take iterator, because while loop requires iterator that will help us to have repetitions for that particular time. By incrementing iterator, we will repeat that particular task for that for the next few times. So let us consider the iterator I is equal to 1. So we have to find out sum and average of first 10 numbers. So we will take a while keyword, we'll start writing while loop. As long as I is less than 10, less than or equal to 10 rather, we will place a semicolon after that, and we will see what exactly we have to write in loop. So we will take first, we will take sum variable and we will add I into it, because I is iterator, it will iterate itself for 10 times. So we will take sum I sum plus I into some variable, and then we will increment the value of I by 1. So this is how our loop statements are written, and now we are going to see what is its result. So we will write print the sum of first 10 numbers equal to sum, or rather s, and we have to find average also. So we will take average, avg as variable for average, and we will divide s by 10, and we will write print the average of first 10 numbers and we will write avg after comma. So let us see what is the output. So we have got sum of first 10 numbers as 55 and the average of the first 10 number as 5.5. It is correct. So let us see what this I does. So I will repeat, I is a iterator and it acts as a number also. So we will find out the what value at what time it has got. So the value of I I, and we will see also what is the value of sum. Print sum at iteration I. We will make it as formatted string, and we will place it over here as S. So let us see what exactly we are going to get. So the value of I is 1, the sum at the iteration 1 is 1, the value of I is 2, and sum at the iteration 2 is 3, because 2 is getting added into S variable. So first it was 1, 1 plus 2 is 3. Similarly, in the iteration 3, some value is 3, and 3 is getting added into it, so we have got 6 over here. So this is how the while loop iterates itself until this condition is met. Okay, so let us consider the next part, that is sum of the digits. Sum of the digits, let us see what we have got over here. So we will take input n from user input, enter the number, as the input function gives us value in string format, we have to typecast it into int. Then we will put this n into number variable, because the n is getting processed and its value will decrease. That's why the original number we have kept in num variable. After that we will take sum is equal to 0, then we will write while loop. Here we have to take one condition, and what that condition means, let us see. So we will keep some space for the condition and we will try to apply the logic. So here we are going to apply the logic with the help of remainder operator. So let us take R as remainder. So we will operate remainder by dividing it by 10. Then that remainder gets added into sum, and we have to change the number with floor division. Okay, it will give us the exact digit, means integer digit after floor division. So this is how, and once the floor division gives us output 0, then and then only we will stop. So n is greater than 0, this is the condition we have to place over here, and we will print the value sum of the digits of a number, rather of the number We will make it as formatted string. We will put the original value num over here and the sum over here. So let us see what we have got over here. So we will put 124 and we will enter. So it's where a sum of digit is 7. So we have got the answer correctly. So friends, this was the end of the video for while loop, and we will see for loop in next video.